In binary star systems, we see that the motion of one star is driven by the gravitational field of the other. The fact that an object cannot move forever without being driven by a force is a reality that we must accept unconditionally. This means that our solar system must also be driven by a force so that it can move forever. Since our solar system orbits around the Milky Way, the driving force could be the gravitational field of the Milky Way or the gravitational field of another celestial body. We will come back to this later. According to our rough estimate, the solar system in order to move as it is would need an acceleration force as follows. We have explained that a celestial body propelled by a driving force not only moves forward, but also rotates. Under this force, both the entire solar system and all the celestial bodies in it rotate in the same direction. We have called this effect gravitation. In the following, we will answer the question about the various properties of the Sun based on this assumption. Each point mass generates a torque through gravitation. The closer the point mass is to the axis of rotation, the greater the torque. This means that the closer the point mass is to the center of the axis, the higher the resulting rotational speed. If we imagine the Sun as a sphere consisting of many thin-walled cylinders that rotate around its axis, then the smaller the diameter of the cylinder, the higher the rotational speed. This creates friction between the neighboring cylinders, which generates heat, and if the heat is great enough, it will glow. The basic principle for generating this heat energy is that the speed of an object can increase indefinitely in the absence of resistance, i.e. its kinetic energy increases indefinitely when it is accelerated. If its speed is limited and cannot be increased and the accelerating force is still exerted on it and continues to do work, so the energy it generates will also continue to increase indefinitely. This infinitely increasing energy must be released in one form or another. The mechanism for releasing this energy is the friction between the cylinders. Nature has designed the system so perfectly without gaps. It can be calculated that the resulting heat energy of the Sun is approximately as follows. The calculation is skipped. It can be assumed that this is the actual source of the Sun's heat energy. In the same way, more or less heat is generated inside the Earth and all the planets, all the time. The fusion power plant inside the Sun, which was once arbitrarily installed by earthly humans out of desperation, is pure fantasy.